We know that balancing our blood sugar levels reduces our risk of diabetes. But what else can it help? By balancing our blood sugar levels, we can reduce our risk for 1. Heart disease. Heart disease is the leading cause of death for men, women, and people of most racial and ethnic groups in the United States. One person dies every 36 seconds in the United States from cardiovascular disease. About 655,000 Americans die from heart disease each year. That's 1 in every 4 deaths. Heart disease costs the United States about $219 billion each year from 2014 to 2020. This includes the cost of healthcare services, medicines, and lost productivity due to death. 2. Kidney failure. Acute kidney failure occurs when your kidneys suddenly become unable to filter waste products from your blood. When your kidneys lose their filtering ability, dangerous levels of wastes may accumulate, and your blood's chemical makeup may get out of balance. 3. Blindness. Blindness is a lack of vision. It may also refer to a loss of vision that cannot be corrected with glasses or contact lenses. Partial blindness means you have very limited vision. Complete blindness means you cannot see anything, and do not see light. 4. Stroke. A stroke occurs when the blood supply to part of your brain is interrupted, or reduced, preventing brain tissue from getting oxygen and nutrients. Brain cells begin to die in minutes. A stroke is a medical emergency, and prompt treatment is crucial. Early action can reduce brain damage and other complications. 5. Foot ulcers. Foot ulcers are a common complication of poorly controlled diabetes, forming as a result of skin tissue breaking down and exposing the layers underneath. They're most common under your big toes and the balls of your feet, and they can affect your feet down to the bones. 6. Amputation. Amputation is the removal of a limb by trauma, medical illness, or surgery. As a surgical measure, it is used to control pain or a disease process in the affected limb, such as malignancy or gangrene. In some cases, it is carried out on individuals as a preventive surgery for such problems. 7. Obesity. Obesity is a complex disease, involving an excessive amount of body fat. Obesity isn't just a cosmetic concern. It is a medical problem that increases your risk of other diseases and health problems, such as heart disease, diabetes, high blood pressure, and certain cancers. 8. Nerve problems. Damage to sensory nerves, nerves that help you feel pain, heat, cold, and pressure, can cause tingling, numbness, or a pins and needles feeling in your feet and hands, that may spread to your legs and arms. Inability to feel a hot or cold sensation, such as a hot stove. Inability to feel pain, such as from a cut or sore on your foot. 9. Kidney disease. Chronic kidney disease includes conditions that damage your kidneys and decrease their ability to keep you healthy by doing the jobs listed. If kidney disease gets worse, wastes can build to high levels in your blood and make you feel sick. You may develop complications like high blood pressure, anemia, low blood count, weak bones, poor nutritional health, and nerve damage. Also, kidney disease increases your risk of having heart and blood vessel disease. These problems may happen slowly over a long period of time. Chronic kidney disease may be caused by diabetes, high blood pressure, and other disorders. Early detection and treatment can often keep chronic kidney disease from getting worse. When kidney disease progresses, it may eventually lead to kidney failure, which requires dialysis or a kidney transplant to maintain life. 10. Peripheral vascular disease. Peripheral vascular disease (PVD) is a blood circulation disorder that causes the blood vessels outside of your heart and brain to narrow, block, or spasm. This can happen in your arteries or veins. PVD typically causes pain and fatigue, often in your legs, and especially during exercise. 11. Vision problems. The eyes are the body's most highly developed sensory organs. In fact, a far larger part of the brain is dedicated to vision than to hearing, taste, touch, or smell combined. We tend to take eyesight for granted, yet when vision problems develop, most of us will do everything in our power to restore our eyesight back to normal. 12. Skin issues. Allergies, irritants, your genetic makeup, and certain diseases and immune system problems can cause rashes, hives, and other skin conditions. Many skin problems, such as acne, also affect your appearance. Here's important news for anyone with diabetes. An excellent ebook is now available that reveals scientifically proven principles that can help trigger your body to produce more insulin naturally, reversing diabetes symptoms without the need for medication. For full information about this diabetes reversing breakthrough, click on the link in the description below.